Ever wondered what kind of returns you can expect from systematic investment plan or SIP? Is it like a fixed deposit with guaranteed interest rate? Not quite. Unlike FDs or savings account, SIPs don't offer a fixed interest rate. Instead, your returns are linked to the performance of the underlying mutual funds, whether equity, debt or hybrid. So, how do you estimate potential returns? First, let's talk about equity mutual funds. Historically, equity SIPs have delivered returns in the range of 10 to 15% annually over the long term. Think 7 to 10 years or more. Sounds good, right? But remember, this comes with short-term volatility. How do these returns work? Well, equity returns generally exceed the country's GDP growth by 3 to 4%, and the risk premium over safe government bonds adds another 4 to 6%. That's why long-term equity SIPs are powerful wealth building tools. Not comfortable with that much risk? Debt mutual funds through SIPs are more stable. They typically offer 6 to 8% returns annually as they tie to fixed income securities. These are ideal for those seeking predictability without much volatility. Want a bit of both? Hybrid or balanced funds mix equity and debt for returns around 8% to 12%, striking a balance between growth and stability. Here is a real world example. If you had invested 1 lakh in the Nifty index in 2004, by 2024 it would have grown to over 19 lakhs. That's an annualized return of nearly 16%. Impressive, right? So, what's the normal interest rate for an SIP? It doesn't exist. Your returns depend on market trends and fund performance. But here is the key takeaway. SIPs, especially over the long term, can be incredibly rewarding. Whether you choose equity for growth, debt for stability, or a balanced approach, SIPs are a disciplined way to build wealth. Ready to start your investment journey?
A detailed blog post on this topic is available on our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goals, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial experts. The link to the free booking is given in the description below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description. If you like this video, hit like and share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.